I am going to show you how to do MLA format in Microsoft Word. First, you go to Insert, and then over to Page Number. You click Top of Page, and then you go down to Plain number 3. Click on that. Then you put your last name, highlight it, go back to home, put it as 12 point, and put it in Times New Roman for the font. Go back over here to Design, and then you want to close your header. Next, you want to go to Layout, and over to Margins, and you just want to make sure that they are 1 inch all the way around. If they're not, then you need to set them as 1 inch all the way around, top, bottom, left, and right. After that is done, you need to set your line spacing, so we go back over to Home, and then we click the Line and Paragraph Spacing button. You click that, we come down to Line Spacing Options, and once you click that, a box should open up, and you want to find the spacing section, so it should say this. Come over to Line Spacing, click on the drop down menu, and hit double so that your line space double space. Click OK to save it. And then you want to come up here to the Line and Paragraph Spacing button again, and make sure you remove space after paragraph. So it should say 2.0 here, and add space after paragraph, because you don't want space after your paragraph. Finally, you need to change the font to Times New Roman, and then change the point to 12. Now you'll make sure you're on left align, and then you want to type your last name and your first name, and followed by your instructor's name. Then you want to put your class, and then the date. Then you want to hit enter, and you want to come over here to the paragraph section and center align it, and then you do your title, and you do not need to bold it or underline it or italicize it. You only italicize things like books or other things that should be italicized. And that is how you format in MLA on Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching.